Today, we explore the story of one of the Pyrite brothers and its serious negative consequences for humanity. Affecting both food and water, you will be served. Arsenopyrite. Arsenopyrite is named after its arsenic content and chemical resemblance to pyrite, with 46.01% of its mass attributed to arsenic alone, and because of its vast prevalence, arsenopyrite is the most common arsenic mineral. To appreciate its impact, it is helpful to understand the role of arsenopyrite in mining and its environmental implications. Despite its metallic luster, arsenopyrite is always disappointing for prospectors. It is what some call an unfinished metal, a metal that doesn't yield a primary metal like iron or copper in useful quantities. Unfinished metals include pyrite, stibnite, cobaltite, and arsenopyrite. Arsenic is more widely used in electronics as a component in LEDs. However, it is not mined for its arsenic content, as most arsenic is acquired through byproducts of other mining processes. Instead, it is often mined for its trace gold content. This mineral is closely associated with gold, as both typically form in high-temperature hydrothermal fracture-filling veins. Due to its close association with gold, arsenopyrite often ends up in mine dumps worldwide. Arsenopyrite, when heated, emits toxic fumes but remains stable at room temperature. Unfortunately for us, it is only stable under abiotic and anoxic conditions and reacts when exposed to water and air, especially in the presence of hydrogen ions. The leaching of arsenic from this mineral can be accelerated under strong acidic or basic conditions. This means that as soon as arsenopyrite enters dump sites, arsenic becomes part of the ecosystem's equation. This arsenic leaches into nearby lakes and rivers, making the area toxic to life. It also contaminates surrounding soils and is easily taken up by the plant life growing there, which is then consumed by the animals in the area, entering the biome in more ways than it ever should. However, its silver to steel gray color makes it a striking addition to any collection. One of the most notorious examples comes from Yellowknife, Canada, at the Giant Mine. From 1948 to 1999, gold was extracted from arsenopyrite, producing arsenic trioxide as a byproduct in the early years. Much of that arsenic was released directly into the environment. After 1950, the practice changed. The arsenic was stored underground instead. But when the mine closed, more than 237,000 tons of arsenic trioxide were left behind. Ownership changed hands repeatedly, and ultimately no one was held liable for the cleanup. Concerns about long-term exposure to arsenic dust and its possible link to elevated cancer risks in nearby populations have been raised, particularly due to prolonged environmental contamination. While direct causation is debated, the health concerns remain serious and warrant ongoing monitoring. A remediation process led by the Canadian government is underway. Yes, the company that ran this mine has left the cleanup burden to taxpayers. Welcome to the nasty side of mining operations. So yes, if you find arsenopyrite, be excited about what might lie around, but also take a moment of silence for what lies inside, as this mineral does no true harm to humans. It is the people seeing only dollar signs that might. While the direct risks of handling dry and undisturbed specimens are minimal, the real harm results from how humanity exploits and disposes of this mineral, leading to widespread environmental and health issues. To finish on a light note, don't forget to wash your hands after handling this mineral. This is Daddy Mindex talking to you. Additionally, incorporate a kale leaf grown far away from mines into your meals. Your heart will thank you. For more on everything about minerals, visit my channel, Mindex. Thank you for sticking to the end, and please do not forget to click the like and subscribe buttons. Peace. Cobaltite. Gimme. Producing arsenic trioxide as a byproduct. For everything.